Lifestyle. Lifestyle matters.
Maisha.
Lift your hands.
Inua mkono wako.
You have to change everything now.
Lazima ubadilishe kila kitu sasa.
I have no business to say that to you as a preacher if I have not done it myself.
Sina haja kukuambia mimi kama mhubiri kama sijajiambia mimi mwenyewe.
The old saying of do you practice what you preach? I said to someone when they asked me that, I said no, I don't. They looked shocked.
Je, unatendesha kile ambacho unahubiri? Nikasema hapana.
I said very quickly to them, I preach what I practice.
Nilisema kwa haraka kwamba ninafundisha kile
when you're living something and it's real in your life, now you have licensure from heaven and the authority and the stamp of approval from God and his angels to go by the commissioning of the hand of the Lord to go and release this thing in the earth. Lift your hands. And too few people have paid the price